Good morning and welcome to Chateau Clerbaud. Today we're in the old banqueting hall, a part of the chateau that has a rich history going back at least 800 years. During those 800 years, this room has seen many changes. And today's video blog is going to deal with one of the more recent changes, something that happened probably only about 130 years ago. So relatively speaking, not really that long ago. Round about the end of the 19th century, the late 1800s, the owners of the chateau decided to make some changes in here, in that they wanted to make a totally separate room within this banqueting hall. And to that end, they created some walls just over here. They also took out one of the old doors and replaced it with a new door and a new window right next to it. This really changed the look of the building from the outside. To my mind, it was wrong, it doesn't look right. The room that was created inside this banqueting hall also made the whole hall here look really strange. So we took that room out and restored the banqueting hall back to its original size. And it looks so much better for it. And if you're interested in that renovation, we have a video all about the renovation of this hall right from start to finish. So check that out. Today, we're going to deal with the change that was made in the late 1800s. We decided to remove the new window that they put in and rebuild the stone wall as it was. Hope you enjoyed this video, and
I'll talk to you again in a minute. Thank you. Originally, this wall of the chateau would have been symmetrical. Windows to either side and two oak doors in the middle with small windows above them. The window with the pelmet above the oak door is also a later addition. The first job is to remove some of the stonework and the old window. These walls are very thick and very solid. We need a jackhammer to start breaking them up. When we fill in the window opening, we want to make the join between the new and the old stone as seamless as possible. Finally, we can start rebuilding the stonework on the outside. We are using a lime-based mortar to allow the walls to breathe. This is essential in a stone building. It's such a shame that we have to destroy the cut stone window frame, but there's no way to take it out because it's supporting the whole wall and roof above it. We are using modern bricks on the inside of the wall because of course they won't be visible. They'll be covered by a stone skin. This is going to be a very solid, sturdy wall. By just removing the face of the cut stone, the window surround retains all of its strength and will keep supporting the wall and the roof above it. You can see that we are only removing just a few centimetres off the face of this cut stone. We alternate between the outside and the inside of the new stone wall. The reason for this is the stone needs time to set. If we went all the way to the top on just one side, it would probably collapse under the weight of itself. Even in this unfinished state, I think the wall is looking much better already. Don't you agree? The new stonework is being blended in nicely with the old stonework, and the cut stone is making a really nice edge, making it look totally original. One of the things that we have always done since acquiring the chateau is to collect any stone that we can. We need so much for repairing walls and building new walls. We literally have pallets of it stored away. At last, we can now put in the final stones on the outside of the wall and finally lose that horrible old window for good. It really had no place in a medieval chateau, and I think that today, if you applied for permission to put one in, it would be denied. There we are, the front's all done, we're really on the home straight now. That's the inside completed, and now it can be pointed. Once the pointing dries, I'm sure you won't notice a difference and the wall is back to how it originally was. Final job is to point the outside wall, and then we're all done. We have sourced an original oak-studded door to replace those blue shutters. Eventually the right-hand door will be identical to the left-hand one.
So I really hope you enjoyed that little video. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, because it really helps us a lot, helps us to carry on with the renovation of this beautiful old building, and also give us a thumbs up, hit the like button as well. So thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next week for another video from Chateau Clerbaud. Thank you very much. And if you would like to watch the video showing the full renovation of this amazing banqueting hall, why not click on the link which should be coming up now. Thank you.